In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove green screen in Canva. Whether you are working with a photo or a video, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make that green background disappear so your subject sits on a clean, transparent layer. First, open your design in Canva. This simply means launching Canva, heading to the design or project you are working on, and getting your canvas ready so you can see the item you want to edit. Let's start with images. Click on the image you want to clean up so it's selected. In the editor, choose Edit Photo. From there, select BG Remover. Canva will analyze the image and strip out the background automatically. Give it a moment to process. The time it takes can vary, depending on your internet connection and image complexity. Once it's done, your subject remains and the background becomes transparent. This is perfect for creating thumbnails, product shots, and clean overlays without any distracting edges. For best results, images with clear contrast between the subject and the green screen typically process more accurately, and even lighting during the original shoot helps Canva detect edges more cleanly. Now, let's move on to videos. Start by uploading your green screen video and adding it to your project, so it's visible on your canvas. Click on the video to select it. In the top toolbar, choose Edit Video. From the Tools menu, select Background Remover. Canva will process the clip and remove the green screen automatically. Let it run. Longer videos or higher resolutions may take a bit more time to finish. When the processing completes, the background becomes transparent, letting your subject sit cleanly over whatever design or scene you are building. For smoother results, footage with a bright, evenly lit green background and clear separation from the subject tends to produce cleaner edges. Consistent lighting and minimal motion blur also help the tool recognize the background more accurately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.